Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself, but most people have no idea that daily habits, stress, and fear silently block this natural process. Every second, your cells are working to repair damage, fight infections, and maintain balance. Yet when your mind is tense, your nervous system stays in survival mode, telling your body that danger is everywhere. In this state, healing slows down, inflammation increases, and your immune system becomes less effective. Science now confirms what ancient healing practices have long understood. Calming the mind directly affects the body's ability to repair and rejuvenate. Simple actions, like slowing your breathing, practicing gratitude, sleeping in darkness, or even taking a few mindful moments each day, can switch your nervous system from protection to repair. When your brain feels safe, your body releases healing hormones, boosts immunity, and reduces oxidative stress, allowing damaged cells to regenerate faster than you ever imagined. This is why some people recover quickly from illnesses or injuries while others struggle for years. The difference is not always medicine, it is awareness, mindset, and lifestyle. Healing does not begin in a hospital or with supplements alone. It begins when you understand why your body stopped healing and how to bring it back into balance. Your body is capable of amazing transformations if you give it the right signals. Today, take a deep breath, tell your body it is safe, and allow yourself to step into a state of natural healing. Follow Health Why and how to discover the untold secrets of your body's incredible power to restore, repair, and renew itself every day.